Hello dear students, welcome to the Pharma e-learning YouTube channel. Today I have come with another video of that is mixing, into which I am going to discuss about the most widely used mixer, which is known as the Silverson mixer or Silverson homogenizer or the Silverson emulsifier. Now let's go into the details of that. Basically, it is a mixer or the homogenization which basically work on the principle of the mixing will be there, into which it will carry out the mixing of two immiscible liquids like water and the oil. If you look at the construction of this homogenizer, then basically it consists of an emulsifying head. It's shown into this diagram as well as into the image over here, which is going to be surrounded by the fine mass or the definite size mass, which is basically made up of the stainless steel. This entire emulsifying aid is going to be immersed into the liquid which is going to be emulsified, or which is a liquid which is going to be mixed together, and this head is going to be rotated by that electric motor at very high speed. What is the basic working, how it works? As if you look at my another video, that is in the mixing, that is the liquid mixing, into which I discussed the various things about the propeller, impeller and the turbine, and into each of that the mixing is carried out by the different mechanisms. So here if you look at this Silverson emulsifier, into which the liquids are going to be sucked inside, so it is like a impeller type of the device will be there, and once the liquid are going to be sucked inside as shown into the diagram by the yellow and the blue color droplets, or the that's a globulus will be there, and due to this the vigorous mixing is taking place due to the high speed of the blade, and when they are expelled out, coming out from the side to that sieve, and because of that there's a globule size reduction has been already taking place, and the large size the globules are going to convert into the small globules, and this process will go on and on and on till the mixing of both the liquids is taking place. Now let's try to understand this particular things by this particular video, into which, as it is shown, this is a Silverson emulsified, this is emulsifying head, and here the holes, these are that are with the sieves, so it is this immersed into the liquid, so liquid molecules are going to be inside and it is thrown out. By reducing that, the same process will continue, the smaller size globules will again go inside and it will come out. The entire process is going to be remain continuous until the uniform mixing of the both the liquids is carried out. As I told you earlier, that it is basically for the mixing of the oil and the water, that what we are calling as emulsion. To increase the stability of the emulsion, we are going to get that good or the narrow global size distribution. The advantage of the such a type of the mixer will be there. It is suitable because the entire emulsifying head is going to be immersed, so it is suitable for the few ml to the several thousands of liter, and it can be used in the wide range of side. The process can be made either a batch or in the continuous operation, but disadvantage is that there are sometimes the chances of clogging of the pores of the sieve or the mass will take place. So in this case we'll have to replace it, and that's why sometimes the maintenance cost is very high. But I can say this, nowadays still the Silverson emulsifier, Silverson mixer is used for the preparation of the emulsions, suspensions, and to the some of the lesser extent it can be used for the preparation of creams, paints and the ointments. So into this video I highlighted how the most widely used Silverson emulsifier, the Silverson mixer, about which is used in the preparation of the emulsions nowadays, the emulsion as well as in the pharmaceutical industry. I discussed about the construction working by the animation video, how exactly the emulsions are going to be formed, the advantage, disadvantages and the applications. So if you like my video, please share it, give it like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more upcoming videos on the mixing and the pharmacy related topics. Thank you.